If you feel like your to-do list keeps growing but your time never expands, you're not alone. Time blocking is one of the most powerful productivity methods used by top performers, entrepreneurs, and freelancers to get control of their schedule and keep their energy focused where it matters most. In this video, I'm breaking down the top time blocking tools you can use in 2025, both free and paid, to reclaim your calendar, reduce mental clutter, and get more done in less time. And yes, all the tools mentioned are linked in the description below, including free trials and affiliate-supported discounts, so make sure you check them out after watching. Let's get into it. Let's start with a quick refresher. Time blocking means scheduling every task or activity into your calendar as a dedicated block of time. Instead of leaving your to-do list open-ended, you're not just saying, I'll work on emails sometime today. You're saying, I'll process email from 9 o'clock to 9:30 a.m. This simple shift from a list of what to a schedule of when is transformative. A traditional to-do list is a passive collection of obligations that can quickly become a source of anxiety. It doesn't account for your energy levels, your available time, or the dependencies between tasks. In contrast, time blocking forces you to be realistic. You only have a finite number of hours in the day, and by assigning each task a home on your calendar, you get an honest visual representation of your capacity. This method gives your day structure, reduces decision fatigue by eliminating the constant question of what should I work on next, and allows you to batch similar tasks, like handling all your administrative work in one go, which saves mental energy and dramatically increases focus. It turns your calendar from a record of appointments into a strategic plan for your life. Now let's explore the tools that make it possible, starting with the one that changed my entire workday. First up is Sunsama, a daily planner designed to bring calm to your chaotic work life. Sunsama centers on intention, helping you focus on what truly matters and build a sustainable workflow. Each day starts with a guided planning ritual, asking what you want to accomplish and mapping tasks into calendar time blocks. It's not brute force scheduling, but a mindful assistant. Sunsama shines by blending planning and execution, integrating with Google Calendar, Outlook, Todoist, Notion, Trello, Asana, Slack, and Gmail. You can pull tasks from all these into one hub and drag emails or Trello cards right onto your schedule. When adding tasks, Sunsama has you estimate duration, making you realistic about commitments, then creates a time block. The clean, calm interface reduces overwhelm. Its standout feature is the daily shutdown ritual, guiding you to review accomplishments, see how time was spent, and decide what to do with unfinished tasks, rolling them over guilt-free. This balance-focused reflection suits knowledge workers, freelancers, managers, or anyone stuck in reactive work mode. It builds a daily rhythm for deep work and avoids burnout. I use Sunsama to connect my big project plans in Notion with minute-by-minute calendar execution. After a week, it feels like a personal assistant for focus. Try Sunsama via the link below. There's a free 14-day trial, and it supports the channel. If you love a perfectly planned day but dread manual setup, Motion is for you. Motion is an AI calendar and task manager that acts as your operations manager, automatically building your daily schedule based on priorities and availability. It automates time blocking, solving the problem of fragile manual schedules that break when meetings run long or urgent tasks arise. You list tasks with priority and deadlines, and Motion's AI fits them into your calendar gaps. It adjusts your schedule in real time. If new meetings appear, it reschedules displaced tasks. Urgent tasks trigger immediate reshuffling. Its algorithm considers deadlines, urgency, and your focus windows. More than a calendar, it's a project and task manager where you can organize projects, add notes and subtasks, and collaborate. The drag and drop calendar and task list give high-level and detailed views. Instead of manual planning, Motion orchestrates your time intelligently. It's ideal for dynamic, unpredictable schedules, agency owners, salespeople, startup founders. If you're overwhelmed juggling priorities, Motion clears the chaos. It's one of the smartest calendar tools out there and a productivity game changer. Try Motion via the link below. They offer a trial and it supports the channel. Our third tool, Coda, is a different beast entirely. While Sunsama offers guided intention and Motion provides AI-powered automation, Coda gives you a blank canvas and a powerful set of building blocks to create your own perfect productivity system. Coda is an all-in-one doc that lets you build customizable workflows, and that absolutely includes highly personalized time-blocking dashboards. Think of it as a combination of Google Docs, Excel, and a lightweight app builder, all rolled into one. Unlike the other tools, Coda doesn't prescribe a specific method, it gives you complete freedom. You can design a time blocking template that mirrors your unique mental model and visualizes your day, week, or even your entire quarter exactly the way you want. Why does Coda stand out? First, its flexibility is unparalleled. You can mix and match different elements in a single document. You could have a table of your master tasks, a calendar view that pulls from that table to display your time blocks, interactive checklists for your daily routines, and even progress bars that automatically update as you complete your work. Second, it offers powerful integrations and automations. You can sync your Coda calendar with Google Calendar, keeping your plan updated where you need it. Buttons let you perform actions with one click, like Start Focus Timer to log time or Complete Task to archive an item. These automations help you build a system that works for you, not the other way around. Coda suits tinkerers, system builders, creative pros, or developers who want to customize their tools. If you've ever wished to change one thing in an app, Coda is the answer. Build a weekly planner linking your big goals to daily blocks. Track planned time and actual time spent for better future planning. If starting from scratch feels tough, Coda has a huge gallery of free community templates. Use or learn from them. Want to try Coda? The affiliate link in the description offers a generous free plan and pro features for advanced automation and collaboration. If you value ultimate flexibility and control over your productivity system, Coda is one of the best platforms. So why use these tools? Because time blocking isn't just about being busy, it's about being intentional. It's the difference between letting your day happen and designing it. Using mindful Sunsama, automated motion, or customizable Coda unlocks benefits a simple to-do list or calendar can't provide. You get more focused deep work time. Tasks scheduled mentally prime you to work distraction-free. You make fewer daily decisions since your plan's made, saving mental energy for creative tasks. Your calendar clearly shows your priorities, making it obvious if you spend too much time on low-impact activities. This reduces stress and distraction. The anxiety of a never-ending to-do list turns into calm from a well-planned day. Most importantly, you get guilt-free rest time. Scheduling breaks, family, or hobbies makes them as legitimate as meetings. When your calendar reflects your true goals, productivity becomes sustainable, not a burst followed by burnout. To get the most from time blocking, here are some pro tips for any tool. First, color code your calendar for quick visual balance. One color for deep work, another for meetings, one for admin tasks, and another for personal time. Second, always block time for admin and rest. These get cut first if not scheduled. Protect lunch breaks like client meetings. Third, review your day's accomplishments before closing your laptop. Sunsama builds this feedback loop into its workflow. Fourth, don't overschedule. Leave buffers between meetings and tasks. Life is unpredictable. 15-minute gaps prevent late meetings from ruining your schedule. Motion automates this spacing. Finally, review your plan weekly to align daily actions with long-term goals. Coda is perfect for this with custom weekly planners or retrospective dashboards. Let's recap the best time blocking tools for 2025. Sunsama is a mindful daily planner for balance and focus. Motion is an AI task scheduler that adapts your calendar in real time. Perfect if you want to outsource planning. Coda is a flexible modular workspace for building custom time blocking systems, ideal for system thinkers who want full control. Each supports a different workflow and work philosophy. Whether you want automation, mindful structure, or creative freedom, there's a perfect fit. All tools are linked below. Try them free and see which transforms your day. Time is your most limited resource, but shaping your day intentionally changes everything. Whether you run a business, freelance, work remotely, or juggle life, time blocking gives clarity, boundaries, and control to thrive. It's the foundation for turning ambition into achievement. If this helped, subscribe to Work Mode Tech for more deep dives on tools shaping work, and comment below, which tool will you try? Until next time, stay focused, flexible, and in work mode.